Hey, what's up, guys? This is Neil Ladores, and welcome back to our channel. And this is the new Beats Pro, Powerbeats Pro. A little context here: I started out as I really love beats from the start. Then I kind of swung to the other side, and I kind of hated beats for a while. Then I sort of came back, and I don't know. I feel like I needed to check this out, and just look at the box. It's called Powerbeats Pro. They're called the Pros, so I needed to check them out. They come in a bunch of sweet colors, and the box is tinier than the previous generation. So I don't know. I feel like I needed to check them out, and they are impressive to me. And here's why. So I got the black ones, and yes, it's matte black everything, just the way I love them, and they show absolutely no fingerprints anywhere. And they are actually really well built. My main complaint against the previous Beats was the wire that connects the left earpiece and the right earpiece angles when you try to secure them. This is basically the opposite. The wire is gone now. It's easier to secure to its case that clips magnetically when you place it close enough to the charging pods, and you can easily adjust the frame at the top for a more secure fit in your ears. And it's rigid. Like, these are my favorite build of Powerbeats wireless of all time. Once you wear them on, it's actually where the fun starts. They turn on automatically when you open the case and you put them on, and they turn off automatically as well when you put them back to the case and close them. It's a pretty good mechanism. There is no on and off button, so you will never leave them on by accident and kill the battery. But you still need to make sure that they are placed inside the case though. Which is also another good thing, because as long as your headset sits right into its case and the case has a charge, it will automatically charge the headset, so it will stay almost always at 100%. Once they are on, you can control both headsets with either the left or right controller, and it will control both of them. One push for play or pause, you got double push for the next track, triple tap for the previous, double tap and hold for fast forward, and triple tap and hold for rewind. And you can also volume up and volume down using the volume controller at the top. This doesn't have any noise cancellation, but being able to position deep in your ears kinda acts like a noise cancellation as well. And it actually does a pretty good job on doing that. It's great with background noise, great with public transit, and the way they sound is good. I mean, these beats sound good. Don't get me wrong, they are still a little heavy on the bass and the highs, less on the mids, which makes it sound a little bit shrill if you are used to flatter or more neutral sounding headsets. But in general, for the most people, this will sound bright, clear, and vivid. So yeah, if you're someone who's actually worried about beats because they might actually sound terrible, you don't have to worry about that anymore. But I would still say that the Bose and the Sennheiser, I still think they all sound better than these. But that's basically it, and I don't know if it's just me, but I was kind of expecting a little upgrade on the sound quality. But if you're owning the Powerbeats 3 wireless, the previous generation, and you are planning to go on an upgrade and buying the Powerbeats Pro, then I recommend not, because it's actually really the same sound quality, just the wire is gone. It is sweat and water resistant like the previous one, so you won't get to worry about it when you're at the gym and your sweat comes into contact with your headset, so no. And that is pretty much it. There's nothing crazy going on around on these headsets, but yeah, I think it's really well built. They are worth 210 as of the moment. Should I recommend buying this? If you came from the previous generation, I don't think the upgrade would be that much of a necessary. The only difference is that this is wireless, literally more wireless compared to the other one, and you get a nice case instead of the soft, flimsy silicone case that the previous generation offered. If you're going to compare it with the other headset, the Bose, I would still recommend the Bose. If you're an Apple fan, if you're a Beats fan, and if you're looking for a Beats product, this is definitely a really good place to start. So that is it for me today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below on your thoughts on the Powerbeats Pro, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Hey guys, so if you have watched this far or if you have reached this far, then I'm happy to announce that we will be giving away one pair of AirPods to one lucky YouTube subscriber once we hit 1K subs. To join the giveaway, all you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe now. Now is the best time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video and comment down below on why you should win the brand new AirPods. Now, I won't be giving these AirPods because this one's already used. I will be giving away, guys, one brand new guys, brand new. I will not give you used AirPods. I will be giving away brand new AirPods. So be sure to hit the subscribe button now, and I will pick one lucky subscriber from our pool of subscribers. So good luck, and I hope that we reach that 1K subs as early as we can, because this bad boy really can't wait to be given away, to be in your hands. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.